So, as Facebook has monetized Nigeria, a lot of persons are now confused as to how to get monetized, how to get their TIN number, tax identification number. A lot of persons, I saw a comment where someone, okay, a post rather, this post here, yeah, this post where someone was telling people about 5% and 10% to get their TIN number. Maybe someone, you have to pay someone to get your TIN number. Guys, do not be fooled by anyone. Don't let anyone to come and scam you or to come and collect money from you because of TIN number. This is something you can sit in your house and you get it. You do it and you get it. So you don't need anyone to come and be telling you you have to pay this or you have to pay that to get TIN number. I know the way Nigerian things are, probably the site might start malfunctioning, but you have to be patient. Probably try it early in the morning or late at night. Try times that you know that a lot of persons might not be accessing the website. So all you have to do is head over to this website. It's going to be displaying on the screen here. Head over to this website. Head over here. Go straight to tin.jtb.gov.ng. This is the official website where you can register and get your tax identification number. If you look here, you see TIN verification portal, you see register for TIN non-individual, access TIN registration system, register for TIN individual. You understand? So you come here, TIN individual, you impute all these things. This is how simple it is. You don't even need to go and pay anybody money. Don't allow them to deceive you.